How's it going, guys? Phil here from the Mindful Mover, and today we're here to talk to you about another way that you can save time while still getting intense workouts in. It's called the tri-set. What's a tri-set? Well, there are a lot of different ways to do it, but the way that we use it to save time is where we pair up, or I guess try up, a leg exercise, a push exercise, and a pull exercise, and we do them with rest in between. So for example, that might look like doing a squat followed by maybe a minute or 90 seconds of rest, then a push-up progression followed by a minute or 90 seconds of rest, then a pull-up progression followed by a minute or 90 seconds of rest, then back to the squat. Why will we do that? Well, what that will let you do is get plenty of rest before you repeat a particular movement, but you'll still be able to get multiple movements in at the same time. So for example, what I mean is, let's say you were going to do squat and then rest, and then squat and then rest, and then squat and then rest. Well, if you were to do it that way, you might have to do a set of squats, rest something like 4 minutes, another set of squats, rest for 4 minutes, another set of squats, rest for 4 minutes, and then do that same thing with push-ups and then rows. Your workout would take forever. Well, with tri-sets, what you could do is do the squat, rest 90 seconds, the push exercise, rest 90 seconds, the pull exercise, rest 90 seconds, and if you do it like that, you'll have about 4 minutes of rest before you come back to that squat, but you've gotten 2 other exercises done in the same amount of time. That right there can let you save boatloads of time while also allowing you to still train with high intensity so you can get above the gain train. So what can you tri-set? Our favorite tools to use are often doing a squat, a push, a pull, or we'll also like to do something like a leg curl, a push, and a pull. Those work really nicely in a tri-set. So give tri-sets a try and get up with the gain train. Woo woo.